One of the most well-respected organizations in the training and development industry is the Association for Talent Development, ATD. They have a list of the country's best training programs, and from that list, they identify a set of shared characteristics. I have some of those characteristics here on the screen. The best training programs are aligned with the business strategy, the business goals, its values, its culture. And this culture is supportive of learning and transfer of training. One of the themes that you will hear over and over and over again is that top leaders' support of training and development is crucial to the success of any program. If the top leaders don't take it seriously, if the top leaders don't like it, then lower level employees probably won't take it seriously and they probably won't like it. The best training programs create rigorous evaluation metrics to ensure that each individual program is resulting in the appropriate outcomes, but also to ensure that the entire system is contributing to business goals. Metrics are very important. These programs also provide a variety of opportunities for their employees, and they provide these opportunities for everyone in the organization, from lower levels to upper levels. Sometimes external stakeholders are also invited to participate in the organization's training. And finally, these companies use training only when it is needed. They conduct needs assessments to help them determine whether training is the answer or whether some other solution might be better suited for a particular performance problem. Remember, training won't solve every performance problem. We will face a variety of performance issues in the workplace, and training is only going to be able to solve some of those problems. The organization's culture, its structure, its rewards program, its performance measurement system could also be contributing to the performance problem. This is why we conduct a needs assessment, to make sure that we're not wasting time and resources on a solution that probably won't work.